Hi, hello, Namaste. Welcome back to Needs of Children. So, in the previous video, we are discussed about the 3 marks question. So, in this session, we are going to get the information about 4 marks questions as well as map skill. So, let's come to the 4 marks question. Which are the 4 marks question and which lesson they are asked? 4 questions, each question carries 4 marks and 16 marks. So, here is the first question. Explain the role of moderates in the freedom of India. So, it is history, chapter number 7, freedom movements. So, this question it is from the freedom movement, so that you have to give the concentration towards the freedom movements. So, once again the question, explain the role of moderates in the freedom of India. The answer is, traditionally the first 20 years of Indian National Congress is called as the age of moderates. Next, W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopala Krishna Gokhale were the major moderate leaders. And the next, they had faith in the rule of British and judiciary. They used to table their demands with the framework of constitution through prayers and requests. They tried to bring in political awareness among the people. They organized public meetings, discussed various burning issues and submitted memorandums. They submitted memorandums demanding cutting down of military expenditure of British. Development of Indian industries, providing good education, programs for poverty alleviation. So, these are the points for the question, explain the role of moderates in the freedom of India. So, let us move on to next question. What were the major achievements of Jawaharlal Nehru as the Prime Minister of India? So, this is from the history, chapter number 8, era of Gandhi and national movements. So, dear students, you have to give the more importance for the lesson, era of Gandhi and national movements. Once again the question, what were the major achievements of Jawaharlal Nehru as the Prime Minister of India? So, what is the answer for this question? As the Prime Minister of India, he can be seen as the architect of industrialization and modern India. Nehru became instrumental in the integration of India. He also laid foundation for diverse culture of India by implementing language based recognition of states policy. He had firmly believed that only complete industrialization can bring development. He sought to develop India through 5 years plan. He sought to develop infrastructure and heavy industries through these 5-year plans. With the aim of mastering atomic energy, he laid the foundation for that under the leadership of H.J. Baba, Homi Jahangir Baba, advocated non-allied movement. He was instrumental in saying away from politics by adhering to Panchashila principles. He died in 1964. So, these are the key points for the question, what were the major achievements of Jawaharlal Nehru as the Prime Minister of India. So, for this here, question number 35, there will be a choice. Okay. So, here from the same lesson only there will be a choice, history, chapter number 8, era of Gandhi and national movements. So, that you have to give the more importance for the lesson, era of Gandhi and national movements. So, what was the choice question? What were the major developments that took place during non-cooperation movement? So this is the question. Let's come to the what is the answer for this question. Many senior lawyers like Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru and Rajendra Prasad left their legal practice. Students boycotted schools and colleges. Congress boycotted elections for regional bodies. Many national institutions were established. Rabindranath Tagore written his knighthood. Common people and women donated liberally to the Congress. Shops selling foreign goods were boycotted and foreign clothes were burnt. The visit of Prince of Wales was opposed. So these are the key points for the choice question. What were the major developments that took place during the non-cooperation movement? Okay, and let's move on to question number 36. Explain the structure and functions of General Assembly of UNO. So this is a question from the political science, chapter number 5, international institutions. So that you have to give the more importance for this lesson. Okay, so here there will be a 2 points are there in the question. Explain the structure and the functions of General Assembly of UNO. So let's come to the what is first question, that is for structure answer. Structure: every country sends 5 representatives to this body. Every country has 1 vote. General body elections one of its members as the president for a year. People are elected for the posts of 17 vice presidents and 7 chairpersons for the 7 permanent committees. Meetings begin around September and continue till mid-December every year. So this is the structure for the question, that is General Assembly of UNO. Let's come to the what are the functions of General Assembly. So the functions are: for all the important matters of approval, a 2/3 majority is mandatory. General budget is approved in the General Assembly. A special session can be convened if there are any emergency issues. It acts like a global parliament to discuss world issues. So these are the major functions of UN General Assembly. Okay, so that you have to give more importance for the political science, international institutions. And let's move on to last question, that is from the 4-mark question. So what is the question from which lesson? List out the different land use patterns of India. So this is geography, chapter number 7, Indian land resources. So that you have to give the importance for geography, chapter number 7, Indian land resources. So once again the question, list out the different land use patterns of India. Okay, what is the answer for this question? Net area zone, forest area, land not available for cultivation, fallow lands, cultivatable waste land, permanent pastures and other grazing land, land under miscellaneous uses. So these are the points for the question. List out the different land use patterns of India. So this is 4-mark questions, and history there will be a choice, you have to give the more importance. Okay, and at last we will come to the last main, that is map skill. So here which are the places they are asked and which lessons you have to concentrate for the map. So draw an outline map of India and mark these places. Okay, so here is the first option they have given Govinda Pant Vallabha Sagar, and the B Tea Port of India, and the C Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, and D Nilgiris. So here most of the map skill, it is completely geography. So that you have to be concentrate geography, which are the lessons from that, which lessons they are asked the places. Okay, so once again, option A, that is Govinda Pant Vallabha Sagar. So this is, that is from the geography, chapter number 6, Indian water resources. Indian water resources. So you have to give the importance to this lesson. So any place, whatever the maps are from the lesson, you have to give more importance for that Indian water resources. And the B, Tea Port of India. So this is chapter number 9, Indian transport and communication. So this is from the chapter number 9, Indian transport and communication. So that, dear students, you have to be, the place is West Bengal, so that you have to give the importance for the transport and communication, this lesson. So whatever the maps are there from the lesson, give the importance for that lesson. And the next, C, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. So it is again chapter number 9, Indian transport and communication. So you are seeing the map, map location also, place where it is located. So give the importance for that place and that lesson. Okay, and the last option, that is D, Nilgiris. Nilgiris, that is chapter number 2, Indian physiography. From this lesson, they are asked the map. Okay, so D option, Nilgiris, Indian physiography, you have to be give the importance for the second lesson, chapter number 2, Indian physiographies, and whatever the places are there, whatever the map location places are there, please give the more importance. Okay, so this is about the model question paper. Till now we are discussed, so majorly and as the part of 4 marks question and map skill. Okay, so in case of, if you are not get the multiple choice question, 1 word answer, 2 marks, 3 marks, and I am going to put the link of those previous questions and answers in the description. Okay, once go through the description, and I will come back with the next video and the next subject. So until, keep watching my channel. So thank you very much, have a nice day. And so this is a very important pandemic situation. Don't forget to wear the mask, and now completely it has been banned to going outside, but anyhow maintain the social distance, use the sanitization. So wash your hands regularly. Okay, take care of your health. See you in the next session. Bye bye.